Congratulations, Rohit. Another piece of silverware in that cabinet. The last 8 to 10 months have been fantastic for this Indian setup. How does the win at the Champions Trophy compare to the T20 World Cup success last year?
Firstly, very, very grateful that we went on to win this tournament. Look, winning any ICC tournament it's never easy. You come through so many different challenges, and for us as a team to come through those challenges and rise up against all the challenges, all the odds that were thrown against us, and to come out of that feels really, really good. Again, when we won the T20 World Cup as well, go undefeated in the T20 World Cup and here as well, shows and tells a lot about this team. A lot of excitement, a lot of passion to play for the team, which is something really, really great, and I'm very happy to see that as a captain of this team, that everybody who's getting an opportunity wanting to make a difference for this particular team.
A job well done, but last night you put the rumour mill to rest by saying that you're not going anywhere, there's no retirement happening. Would it be safe to say that you're eyeing the 2027 ODI World Cup?
It's very hard to say that right now, but I'm keeping all my options open. I want to see how well I'm playing. Right now I'm playing really, really well, and I'm enjoying everything that I'm doing with this team. And the team is enjoying my company as well, so which is nice. I can't really say 2027 because it's too far, but I'm keeping all my options open. As long as I'm enjoying the sport, I'm enjoying playing the game, doing what I'm doing for this team, I will continue to play. There's a lot of things involved, there's so much pride, and the way this team is playing, I don't want to leave this team. The way we are playing at this point in time, it is so much joy, so much fun to play with all of them.
Virat Kohli said last night that this team, this Indian setup is ready to take on the world over the next 8 to 10 years. Do you mirror that thought?
Yeah, I mean, 8 to 10 years, I don't know where we will be, but that is the whole point. You want to create your bench strength while you're playing. And I think whenever we had the opportunity in the last 4 or 5 years, we've always tried to give opportunities to all these players, and they've grabbed it. Look at our T20 setup now. There's so many new guys who have come in and played fearless cricket, and that goes to show that this is new India, and this is how they want to play. And when you're discussing about which player to pick, who to drop, who's going to miss out in your playing 11, that tells you there is so much depth in this team. I mean, I can surely say that Indian cricket for the future is in very, very safe hands. Looking at how the players are coming up, how they want to take that responsibility, how much hunger is there, that obviously remains to be seen as they keep playing for India, but the passion, the talent, all of that is there. It's just about now going out there and doing it.
Rohit, thank you so much for talking to us. Congratulations on the Champions Trophy. We hope you enjoy the celebration. Thank you.